Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach stickers to the face after its detection using Vision Framework in SwiftUI. Also, I'm going to build this app on the top of my previous code. You can visit that tutorial inside the description box if you haven't already watched it. So let's get started. So here I am creating a variable sticker image inside my detect faces class so that it can hold the image that I'm going to pass from content view as a sticker. So this is the main code that I'm going to add on line number 75. As you can see is basically the sticker image.draw function. It is going to take 4 parameters inside cgrect, and these are pretty much the same values that we have used in my line number 73 context.stroke function, because the sticker will be closely associated with the face detection rectangle. So it will have some of the offsets because obviously the image the sticker image will have its own dimensions, and it will have its own x and y values with respect to the face. So I have added two of the offsets in x and y. You can see that 150 and 350, and then I have added some of the offsets inside the width of this sticker image. So put all these values here and let's see the results after playing the code. So you have seen that when I've played the code, the hat is somewhat over the head. It is not exactly aligned to the head. This is basically due to the reason that I have made a little mistake in writing the offset. So I'm adjusting it. Minus 350 should be inside the bracket instead of outside. So you can see that even these little changes can affect the overall placement of sticker on the image. So after making the changes, I've run the code and you have seen that the hat is properly placed inside our two sample images. So here I'm going to show you a quick change. You can comment some of the lines that I've shown here, and after that you will be able to run the code and the face rectangle will not be visible. Only the sticker is visible on the image, which is basically a final result that we want inside a sticker app. So this is all for the changes that we have made inside this code to display a sticker on the face. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. So guys, if you're liking the content of this channel, do not forget to subscribe this channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.